Today is tech tip number 9. I'm Shane with S&S Auto Supply. Cup holders. People seem to struggle with it. We're going to do them today. Come take a look. Dirty cup holders are among one of the hardest things to clean in a car, and they're very time consuming. Hopefully this way shows you how to speed it up. First, I'm going to take 737 all-purpose cleaner mixed 12 to 1, and we are going to mist it on the surface lightly. I'm going to take our drill brush, stick it in the cup holder, turn it on. After you've scrubbed with the drill brush, you can take a clean microfiber, put it over the drill brush head, stick it in the cup holder and turn them on. And literally clean it in seconds versus scrubbing and trying to get in there with a rag. As you can see, we cleaned these cup holders under 30 seconds, and that is one of the most troubling interior problems that people have with detailing cars. If you've enjoyed the video today, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we can keep bringing you more tips and techniques like this to help your detailing business.